IELTS 9 from this book. I have taken the reading passage 3, that is from test 2. Okay, let's start it, not to waste time. Here I am going to try finish this reading within 20 minutes with little bit explanation. Okay. Topic of the passage is a neuroscientist reveals how to think differently. Okay, now the passage is like this only. They have not given any names like alphabets. Usually the most of the passages have like A to D or A to F, like this. First type of question here is this. The page is like this only because I am shooting this. I'm doing this reading again because in the first video I had done so many mistakes, so I am doing it again with you. First type of question here is MCQ, and second is, let's look at this. Second type of question is yes, no, not given. Third type is complete each sentence with the correct ending. Okay, let's do it from the first type of question. If there is one tip for this. While looking at the type of question, of course you will be doing the first type of question in the starting, but while looking at these two types of questions, like here yes, no, not given, and this question, you should just take a quick look of the questions in case you may remember any word while doing the other type of question. You can underline that. Okay, let's do it. First is neuroeconomics is a field of study. Yes, this word, from this word we will be finding the location of this question, which seeks to. Okay, before going to this, if you want, you can read it these options in advance, or first find the location and read the statement from there, and then try to match the list of headings. Okay, let's find the field. Yes, field is here. These discoveries have led to the field known as neuroeconomics, which studies the brain's secret to success in an economic environment that demands innovation and being able to do things differently from competitors. Yes, competitive. Okay, now let's look at the options. Cause a change in how scientists understand brain chemistry. Nothing is given about it. Understand how good decisions are made in. Yes, decisions are made in the brain. Understand how the brain is linked to achievement in competitive fields. Yes, competitors word was there. Trace the specific firing pattern. Firing, nothing is given about firing patterns of neurons in different areas of the brains. Okay, field known as neuroeconomics studies the brain's secret to success in economic environment that demands innovation and being able to think differently from competitors. Scientists, okay, humans trace the yes, firing pattern is here. Let's read it from here also. Okay, in the last decade a revolution has occurred in the way that scientists think about the brain. We know that the decisions humans make can be traced to the firing patterns of neurons in specific parts of the brain, and here it is field known as neuroeconomics differently from competitors. Let's verify the statements again. Options, I mean, cause a change in how scientists understand their brain chemistry. No. Understand how good decisions are made in the brain. Understand how the brain is linked to the achievement in competitive fields. Yes, it is given like this. Here it is, they are have led to the field. They are just focusing on this field known as, this studies the brain's secret to success in an economic environment that demands innovation and being able to do things differently from competitors. Yes, it is matching exactly. But here this firing patterns is also there. Trace the specific firing patterns of neurons in different areas of the brain. But the statement is saying is a field of study which seeks to. They are talking about this is a field of study which seeks to this. They are seeking to this information. Understand how the brain is linked to. Okay, so next is, according to the writer, No, class are distinctive because let's read it. They create unusual brain circuits. Okay, their brains function differently, their personalities are distinctive, they make decisions easily. Okay, iconoclastic, yes, here it is given, is a person who does something that others say can't be done. Okay, others say can't be done, it means they are different. This definition implies that are different from other people, but more precisely it is their brains that are different in their distinct way. Yes, it means their brains function differently. Their brains function differently. Yes, they create unusual brain circuits. Their personality, no, they are not talking about their personality. They make decisions easily. No, our answer is this. According to the writer, the brain works efficiently. Now they are talking about their the brain works efficiently. How? It uses the eyes quickly, interprets data logically, it generates its own energy, it relies on previous events. Let's look at the paragraph where they are saying work. Yes, from here we were just on the second paragraph. So just brain, they are talking about brain function. Brain works efficiently, we have to look for this. New was most of the physically. Okay, this constraint we begin to understand why people. Okay, the first thing, to brain suffers from limited resources, fixed energy budget. Okay, fixed energy budget, yes, they have started from it generates own energy, but here it is given fixed energy budget. Okay, about the same work as efficiently as possible. This is where most people are impeded from being this. For example, okay, information streaming from the eyes, confronted when confronted from the information streaming from the eyes, it means when they are looking through the eyes, the brain will interpret the result of this process. The brain will interpret this information in the quickest way possible. Thus it will draw on both past experience. Yes, they have written about past experience also. Yes, previous events. Yes, it relies on previous events. So this are not the options. Let's go to the 30. The writer says that perception is, okay, a combination of photons and sound waves, a reliable product of what your senses transmit, a result of brain processes, a process we are usually conscious of. Okay, let's go to the perception. Okay, we think our perceptions of the world are real, but they are biological and electrical rumblings. Perception is not simply a product of what your eyes or ears transmit to your brain. More than physical reality, more than, okay, here it is saying clearly, is not simply a product of your eyes or ears, and as well as more than physical reality of photons or sound waves. Perception is a product of the brain. Yes, it is clearly given as a result of brain process. In this way, RC is the option. No, and not this. 31 is, according to the writer, an iconoclastic thinker centralizes. Okay, according to the writer, this thinker, what he thinks, centralizes perceptual thinking in one part of the brain, avoids cognitive traps, has a brain that is hardwired for learning, has more opportunities than the average person. Okay, now they are talking about average person also, hardwired. Okay, iconoclast, she thinks differently from other people. Okay, their brains do not fall into, okay, efficiency, do not fall into efficiency pitfalls as much average person's brain. Yes, average person's brain they are talking about has more opportunities than average person's brain in one part of the brain. Here is central to perception, is central to this. Okay, their brains do not fall into efficiency pitfalls. I think do not fall into efficiency pitfalls, avoids cognitive traps. Avoids is do not fall and traps is pitfalls. Okay, but before finding the answer, let's look at the other options also, that is hardwired. there must be given over here. Either because they were born out that way or through learning, they have found ways to work around the shortcuts that plague most people. Perception is not something that is hardwired. Yes, hardwired is also there. Has a brain that is hardwired, but it is given is not something that is hardwired. It means this option is also cut, and we have left with this also. Centralizes perceptual thinking in one part of the brain, where it is given have found ways to work around the it is given through learning, have found ways to work around the perceptual shortcuts that plague most people, one part of the brain. So we have left with this option. But where is these traps? I think these are the pitfalls only. Their brains do not fall into efficiency, do not fall into here means their brain avoids cognitive traps, cognitive pitfalls. So the answer is here B. In this way we have finished this MCQs. Let's go to the another type of question for this, that is yes, no, not given. Exposure to different events forces the brain to think differently. Different events think differently. Let's go to the next page of this reading. Let's turn over the page because we have finished this first page. Okay, now brain course. Okay, multiple interpretation, ultimately choosing. Now we are looking for exposure to different events, things differently. Other people. The best way to see things differently to other people is to bombard the brain with things it has never encountered before. The best way to things differently is here. Yes, we have found the word exposure to different things. The best way to see, yes, the best way to see is exposure things differently to other people is to bombard the brain with things it has never encountered before. Encountered before is different things they are talking about. The best way to see things differently to other people is to bombard the brain, is to use the brain to use the brain for different things with it has never encountered before. So the answer is of course yes, it is properly matching the statement. 33 is are you iconoclasts are unusually receptive to new experience. Here it means iconoclasts are unusually receptive to new experience. They are welcoming to new experiences. Let's look at the okay, yes, process from chains of past experience and forces the brain to make new judgments. Successful iconoclasts have an extraordinary willingness to be exposed to what is fresh and different. Observation of shows that they embrace novelty, while most people avoid things that are different. Yes, in this way they are saying the same thing. Answer is yes, are unusually receptive to new things. Here it is given have an extraordinary willingness to be exposed to what is fresh and different. Observation shows that they embrace novelty, while most people avoid things that are different. Okay, next is most. Yes, most people is word here. Most people avoid things that are different, but here what the statement is saying, most people are too shy to try different things. No, main important thing is missing. Most people are too shy to try different things. Okay, they are not talking about this thing, so the answer is not given. 35th is if you think in an iconoclastic way, you can easily overcome fear. If you think in this way, you can easily overcome fear. Let's go to the another paragraph. The problem with novelty, however, is that tends to trigger brain's fear system. Fear is not major impediment to thinking like and stops the average person in his tracks. Okay, fear of uncertainty and fear of public. This seems trivial, but fear of public speaking, which everyone must do from time, thus makes it too common to be considered a mental disorder. Okay, we have gone too far. Okay. The problem, however, is tends to be triggered. The brain's fear system is a measure to thinking like an iconoclast and stops the average person in his tracks. Difficult to deal with are fear of uncertainty and fear of public thinking, and people generally find it difficult. Okay, now here it is given, but the two that inhibited these thinking and people generally find difficult to deal with are fear of uncertainty. And so it means they are saying, if you think in this way you can easily overcome fear. No, the answer is no, because they are different. Here it is given, like there are many types of fear, but the two inhibit this thinking and people find it difficult to deal with fear of uncertainty and fear of ridicule. These may seem like phobia, but fear of these dude from okay, this makes this. Okay, here it is given, like we can take the conclusion from these lines also. Fear is a major impediment to thinking like this thing and stops the average person. Here fear is the main thinking, if you think like this, but here they are stopping the average person in his tracks. You can, okay, it is not matching when concern. And of course in the, okay, let's go to the next question. When concern about embarrassment matters less, other fears become irrelevant. Other fears become irrelevant. Embarrassment, fear of public ridicule, fear of uncertainty, tribal phobia, public speaking, too common to be mental, nothing. Yes, it means this answer is not given. Embarrassment, no, nothing is given about this. Other fears become irrelevant, so answer is not given. 37. Fear of public speaking is a psychological illness. What is this illness? Yes, it was given, is considered a mental disorder. This fear of phobia affects 1/3 of the population, so this is not an illness, this is considered to be a mental disorder. So the answer is no. But if you think in this way you can easily overcome fear, but where it is given, this is actually not matching the statement, is a major to thinking like this and stops the average person in his tracks. So we have done it. 38 to 40, let's do it very fast because 2 minutes are left. Thinking like a successful, this is the question, complete each sentences. These are the sentences, we have to match with these only. Thinking like a successful iconoclast is demanding because it, let's read it. Yes, this is given, must sell their ideas to other people. This is where social intelligence comes in, is the ability to understand and many person in a business setting. Okay, let's read the option. Requires both perceptual and social intelligence skills. Yes, I think we have got the answer. Must sell their ideas to other people. Ideas is perceptual and social intelligence skills, it is given, social intelligence comes in. Okay, so the answer is A for 38 and 39. The concept of the social brain is to use iconoclast because it concept of social brain. Let's look, brain is there. Well, let's look where the social brain they are using. Okay, brain was social. In the last decade there has been explosion of knowledge. Social brain is there, and how the brain works when groups coordinate decision making. Brain circuits are okay. Let's read the options. Focuses on how groups, yes, group word is there, decide on an action. The social brain is useful to this explosion of knowledge about the social brain and how the brain works when groups coordinate. Yes, the answer is, of course, this is B. This is perfectly matching. C is iconoclast are generally an asset because their way of thinking. Okay, let's look at the word asset. Break a deal, area, technology to business, they supply, rules, face alienation and failure, they can also a measure to an, it is crucial for success in, yes, major asset is here. It is crucial for success in many fields to understand how iconoclastic mind works. Many fields leaves one criticism no involves understanding and how nothing. So answer is this, but verify it. Let's read it from here. Iconoclast create new opportunities in every area from artist in every area. Yes, here it is given in many fields. In many fields is every area. Every area, both this, let's read. Yes, artistic is here to technology is scientific. So our answer is this. In this way we have finished this reading. Thank you so much. And the reading was neuroscientist reveals how to think differently. Thank you.